How eating these 6 foods can improve your intelligence. Hey, welcome to Brain Matters channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how eating these 6 foods can help improve your intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Eating food isn't going to make me smarter. But trust me, these foods have been scientifically proven to help increase cognitive function and memory retention. So whether you're a student studying for exams or just want to keep your mind sharp, stay tuned and I'll show you which foods to eat for a better brain. 1. Blueberries. Who doesn't love blueberries? They're delicious, nutritious, and did you know they can also make you smarter? That's right. Eating blueberries has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. This superfood is packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that help to protect the brain against damage. What's more, studies have shown that blueberries can improve communication between the brain cells, leading to better learning and memory recall. So if you're looking for a smart way to improve your intelligence, add some blueberries to your diet. 2. Spinach. Poppy was onto something when he ate spinach to gain strength. This leafy green vegetable is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but it also contains compounds that can boost brain power. One of the most important nutrients for cognitive function is iron, and spinach is a rich source of this essential mineral. Iron helps to carry oxygen to the brain, which is essential for cognitive function. In addition, spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. So if you're looking for a way to improve your intelligence, Popeye's favorite food is a good place to start. Add some spinach to your next meal and see for yourself how this power-packed veggie can help boost your brain power. 3. Nuts. Eating nuts can improve your intelligence. Some researchers believe that the fatty acids found in nuts can improve cognitive function. One study found that students who ate a handful of almonds every day improved their grades on tests and had better working memory than students who did not eat nuts. Additionally, a review of several studies found that people who regularly consume nuts have greater cognitive reserve, which means they experience less cognitive decline as they age. Researchers believe that the nutrient-rich composition of nuts may be responsible for these benefits. Nuts are a good source of vitamins E and B6, as well as magnesium, copper, and manganese. All of these nutrients have been linked to better brain health. So if you're looking for a way to boost your intelligence, add some nuts to your diet. Not only are they delicious, but they may also help you think more clearly and perform better on exams. 4. Avocados. Many people think of avocados as nothing more than a delicious and nutritious food. However, recent studies have shown that avocados can actually improve your intelligence. The secret lies in a compound known as lutein, which is found in high concentrations in avocados. Lutein has been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related mental decline. In addition, lutein has also been linked to improved eye health, making it an ideal food for those who want to maintain their intellectual sharpness. So if you're looking for a way to boost your brain power, add some avocados to your diet. You just might be surprised at how much smarter you'll become. 5. Dark chocolate. You may not believe it, but eating dark chocolate can actually improve your intelligence. That's right. The next time you reach for a snack, opt for some dark chocolate instead of something else, and you may find yourself getting smarter. How does this work? Well, dark chocolate contains a substance called flavanol, which is known to improve blood flow to the brain. This increased blood flow means that more oxygen and nutrients are able to reach the brain, leading to better cognitive function. In addition, flavanol has also been shown to improve memory and reaction time. So if you're searching for a method to increase your cognitive function, there you have it. Reach for some dark chocolate next time you need a snack. Your intelligence will thank you. 6. Eggs. Estimates show that the average person only uses 10% of their brain power. This means that there is a lot of room for improvement when it comes to intelligence and cognitive abilities. Fortunately, there are some simple things that you can do to increase your brain power. One of these is eating eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, which is a nutrient that helps to support cognitive function. Choline has been shown to improve memory and protect against age-related cognitive decline. In addition, Eggs also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to improve mental health and focus. So if you're looking for a way to boost your brain power, make sure to include eggs in your diet. There are many different ways that you can improve your intelligence. However, one of the best methods is by including certain foods in your diet. The next time you're looking for a way to boost your brain power, make sure to try some of the foods on this list. You may be surprised at how much they can help. Do you think that intelligence can be improved through diet? What kind of foods do you think are best for intelligence? We are excited to hear about your experience with this. Please let us know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting more great content soon.